Now, with regards to the team members you have, is there any particular statistic or KPI that means a lot to you? You try to check because I'm trying to figure out what KPIs apply to law firms, and KPIs are the numbers, is statistics that really help you that you need to use to analyze things. And for those who don't know, I don't know what it stands for, KPIs, but we call them KPIs. Um,
Performance indicator. Yeah. Key
Performance
performance
indicators. Yeah,
indicator.
key
Yeah.
performance. Is there one
Right.
in particular you'd share? Like this is one like I would like to look at.
Well, recently I was evaluating, well, okay, I was listening to a really good book. I have to think about what it's called on Audible, but there's one about like productivity per employee hour. You can calculate from the revenue or the income to dividing like how hours that you worked in your practice. I'm listening to Simple Numbers, Straight Talk, Big Profits by Greg Crabtree. He's a CPA and he's talking about some of the things he normally has to address and issues with business owners. And considering finance and number and those things are sort of like not my favorite topic, I'm like making myself listen to that, but it's actually a pretty good book. The other one I'm really focusing on right now is just like how long are cases taking to be submitted, and
Yeah.
per assistant, per case type, because we're analyzing like which assistant we should be focusing on certain cases over others, and because they might be better at them. And then also just how long things take per assistant, and how many cases they have, just so we're keeping an eye on that. But that's just one like I'm really focused on right now. But I think we all need to have a dashboard, and I'm actually working on building that up right now. Sometimes we might look at our finances. Like I have QuickBooks Online. I can go in there and do a P&L, run some reports. I can look at year to date from last year and things like that, and sort of see how we're doing, and run those different numbers. But then I think we also need to, look at labor and production, as some people call that side from the law practice, the legal assistant side too.